top farm. Top farm. Man a shoot and a score, Steph Curry. Going for the foods, man, they tell the chef hurry.
What's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. So we are in the countryside of my hometown. This is where I grew up in. This is country. When I talk about country, I just see you come real country. Everything there. So all of the fruit tree, grape, banana, pear, every single thing you can think of for you eat. And we are gonna go over my house and we're gonna see exactly what we are talking about. Maybe we go a bush, the rain kinda look like it will fall, right? So it look like today is a wrong day, but we're not gonna make that stop still. We just go through, we are cut some grass, we are gonna do everything. So we might get messy at the end of the day, but we might go with a lot of things. So make we see what go on, carry on up on the journey. Rocky shall be behind the camera today. So
hi people, hi. I'm the camera lady today, and yeah, rain kinda.
Fix your hand good.
Look here, the rain kinda cramp with style. The rain a cramp with style a lot. But we're gonna see what we can get. Right now, I'm go up here to see if we can get no mango. Period. Mango or all of that. Yeah. So make we show you our real country life. Set it. Honestly, back bush where me have to come look for if came back in those days. I have to walk through them places. Go look for man. So I come look for man.
When I walk out at evening time, I usually come right or so. Like just walk front of my yard, come up so come chill. This are like me there my yard, I'm not on the road, but you're closer to the road. So
Peaceful.
yeah. And the journey kinda long still if you climb that hill, plus climb that hill.
Exactly. See here where we are coming
Double
from.
murder.
So this is rural country. As in which part we come from a country, you know, but up here so is like very, very rural. So this is how rural Jamaica looks. You understand? Very peaceful. You know, off the grid like over here, so they don't have no internet. Right? No internet
Yes.
around here. So
No internet.
no internet not around here, so
And cable.
I guess they have cable lines that run come around here, but no internet. Flow no run come around here. You know, Flow is the internet company for Jamaica. We don't have that around here, so even up at my house, no Flow. You understand? And phone service is kind of difficult as well. So if you get signal up here, kind of difficult. But yeah.
This location is a very safe spot for us, for everybody who grew up in the family, especially the kids. There was a grave right here one time, some graves, right? So when you usually come through this track, even though you're afraid, once you reach right here, it's like you feel safe. I don't know if because I dope them, they protect we, or would it actually feel safe?
God, you rain come.
When you talk about garden, we have one of the biggest garden, you know, up this side. Dr. Gally more than we.
Plush green.
Pine.
Places, the rain is coming down right now, but look at that. People raising cow and stuff over there, and yeah. Down there, where he grew up, his family still lives here. Country life, I know country life without that tank here. If you're not in a country and see this, you know, they're no country. In a country, you know, here, you don't know how deep it be. Okay, but I have to go and tell me how deep it be. Oh my god. Well deep, bro. You even want to put your phone over there too far, cause hey, somebody would have killed me today. Chicken coop. Oh, there you go. Takes so long to focus then. So you have a chicken in right there, so you have some bigger ones. big one up as you see. I'm sorry, I'm not able to show you the train line because the train line is somewhere near here. That is the back sides where they carry the dirt from out of Jamaica. Would have shown them because it's close by here, but would have to drive go there. I mean, I don't know if Kim cousin would want to drive go there for show no. If that happened, then we will show no. If not, then it is very close to here and stuff. Alright guys, so this is a cherry tree. Cherry the pan here, man. Yeah man, with few cherries. Cherry oh god. Okay. Whole heap of cherry the pan tree. So this is a big cherry tree. Cherry the pan. No one had already.
Give me the choice from back for home.
It look like insect in there. What's that? We have to go down more in our garden. We go show them. Alright, so this is the noni tree. Whole heap of benefit you have. In the comments now of the benefits of noni, we're gonna just put them up as well. You understand? So this is the tree. This is how the tree looks. Normally what's not in tree, you know, so I don't really want to go too close. To the garden we go. See dog when you bite me, see? Whoa! Don't come near me.
The dog not trouble you, man. She's just
Okay. I come in the country normally have it one tank. You understand? You have it one tank. Even though at my house we have a tank of our own as well. So we always find tank in a people's yard. We catch a rainwater and thing. Woo! My. What is this? You couldn't wash it, Kim? Hey, Kim. I see how big them. We can't go up on the farm now. You're fresh, man.
We are come Saturday, I'll go on the farm. Me and you.
We're in June.
We are work on the farm to you. We have water in it.
We're in juicy.
Where you? You have grass?
We're gonna fall.
Yeah, man.
And
We
if you
can
can-
cut some grass.
Mm-mm.
And we know money. And money we have.
Worm! Yeah, eat worm. Come on, Squiggle.
You can eat.
What? Who they got eat it? Make everybody look for worm now, cause apparently then you just they eat the apple.
This one no room.
Oh, look.
So you
Look at
can
the
look for
jackfruit.
my yard. One of the garden, a coffee tree, we make the garden look crowded, you know. So one of the pot them out, the coffee tree, them automatically dead out. Oh, the days are done.
And I dark man.
Rock, you died swimming at the whole line.
Look at Aki. I who they all go past for them, man.
No, I say I come climb this
Whip out.
Saturday. But I'm kill a bird.
I was your hand not so good again. Your hand not so good again. Eh? Guys, I don't know if you can actually see the greatness in that. Like, you see how Kim usually grew up? Pine. See pine here?
And this is how pine grow. A lot of people
Pineapple.
know pine grow.
Couple things you see a banana in a garden, yeah? Then when they just they come up. So then I yam bank. Oh God. Jesus. See them, oh God, look at my shoes. Right, is that which house may I go back in? I may have to leave them out the door. Yam bank, if you don't know, oh yam grow. Yam bank. We wish them on the yam stick. Yeah man, coconut tree. This is a coconut tree.
So as me I telling the people everything available in my garden. So that little tree arrowroot we usually use it to make like paste when at Easter, paste up a kite. You can make porridge and all of that good, just like flour. Grate that and you boil it and you get your nice little thing. Breadfruit tree.
Very, very overcast.
See there? We tell you, so we have everything now people. I'll bird you have. So we have a pepper farm, hot pepper, scotch bonnets.
So guys, remember what I said about tanks? One next one here.
So
you know, like old people then bury over there.
Yo, this is a real tank. When you talk about tank in a country, a fish, we have a fish night tank, right? But them are a real tank. Them a tank are well solid. You see a thick look.
Whole tank.
Show them how thick.
Them are from people of Asian century.
That's where I grew up. See house there? Nice house now, but you don't know anything go. Left that too. One next time. Isn't it?
You know them a place a built from Stone Age days.
And this is a barbecue where water run off of.
Barbecue they call it. It's so funny.
This is a little pipe.
Yeah, oh it just flow.
Oh.
Alright, so this is a guinea tree. May I tell you, you see, around here is just so fruitful. Star apple tree, you know the meanest fruit tree there is. Yo, it come like maybe actually go work. Look at mighty God. Wow. Finally get one mango, get the mango.
Alright, so basically this is where everything ends. So we are gonna continue this. We are come up here Saturday and we are gonna like get things like try to get things like food type because today as you can see we couldn't get no chance to get nothing. So you're struggling, we are gonna climb the ackee tree and get some ackee and we are gonna see if we can get jackfruit. Rakish are gonna actually help climb too.
I'm not doing that. We can't look here. Here keep
So Saturday when we come back up here we are do everything. So yeah. So until then this is part 1. So like for part 2, let me see those likes and comments and tell me what you think about this country or you like our country style, real authentic country style. So stay tuned for more when we are climb and pick ackee.
Don't forget to like,
comment,
subscribe
and share. Yeah.
So we see you guys in the next one.
Peace.